I've just got off the train at Canary Wharf. It's blowing a gale now amongst these buildings, and just look at them. Great big boxes. That one, that's a shiny one. I don't know what they're doing with that one. Look at these. Yes, it's beautiful place. Let's go and have a look down. You can see the Docklands Light Railway comes across here. But before we go too far, thank you for watching, liking, sharing and ringing the bell. And of course, a special thank you for those who've subscribed, especially Lisa, who just subscribed this morning. Thank you for that. That's the railway there. I don't suppose we'll see one because I'm watching. The railway goes across there. Oh. Yes, I don't think anything will happen there. I think we'll go to the gardens. There could be a chance that there's all these bikes here that are electric bikes, so which are available. We're going to go through that building in a moment and have a look at the other side, which is rather interesting. Now, there's a drop here, a drop or a droplet or a drip. I don't know. Maybe I'm the drip. Who knows? Now, there's a lovely effect here. Look at this. There's me walking up to it, but look at that. That's nice. I do like that. Yes, there's the Rambler, isn't it? Change things. Oh, there's some gardens here. When I first came here, these were all tiny little trees. These are all tiny little trees in here when I first came. My box is what? People come in here for their lunch. Lovely gardens. And these have grown up really well. I think this is marvellous now. So this is Canary Wharf, and this is the lovely gardens here, where people come out of these buildings and have their lunch along here. How nice is that? A lovely place to have. Excuse me. Lovely, lovely park. These are nice, and a lot of them have been protected from the they've done circles on the grass. That's great. You see the circles, so you can have your circle, but you can't eat it. No. Don't know what that is. Looks good. Looks good. Lovely tree, fluffy little leaves. Look. Don't know what sort it is. You in your small circle and I in mine. This is so beautiful. I know it's man-made, but compared to boxes, it's lovely, isn't it? Most of these buildings, look, another box, another box. I know there's some changes, but now we've got pretend grass here. That's interesting. Pretend grass. I do like these fountains and these little dribbly go down the hilly. Well, I don't know what this is. She's got problems, whatever. Yeah. That must be about something or other. When I was in India, I saw a pigeon deliberately jump into the swimming pool, flap about a little while, not by accident. Went in, but he flapped about to get nice and wet, got his feathers wet. Then he flew out again. I have never seen that before. You can see it on one of my videos. I don't know if it's Jaipur or Jodhpur. I can't remember. Now we've got another one of these. Wonder what it is. No idea. Just a sinewy sort of thing. Oh, is that a sign over there to say what it is? Nope. Oh, yes, here it is. Flight in bronze. There it is. We found the label on this one. Oh, there's a label on that previous one, the lady. I don't know why they've done some of it in grass and some of it in this artificial grass. Not too certain why. Look, suddenly there comes an edge. I wonder what this is. Strange thing, I can't see any labels for this one. There we are. Okay, bye for now. Thank you for watching, and it's the Rambler in the middle of London. So I'll catch you shortly. Bye.